I need help. Bad. So right now, my hair's still so screwed up. But it's all good. I got Rice Krispies. Oh, look. I don't even know if you can see. Cream Bay. Oh, no. We're dead. Yeah. I'm going to turn that off. I actually changed my shirt. My hair's so messed up. I don't even know what to do. But yeah, I probably have to leave. It's like 5:06. And I don't know where anything is. That's mine. So, yeah. It's just gonna be. Wait, I gotta do this. Otherwise. There's a car, of course. And another. Oh my god, there's another. So, I'm gonna be honest right now. I have like 12 minutes to get there. And I've changed my clothes for today like probably 10 times. And I look awful right now. What is this lady doing behind me? I would give anything right now to have a car. Because to be honest, I'm tired of having to walk so far just to get a ride to school. It's awful. And I don't know what time it is. And oh no, it's not popping up. So yeah, I feel awful right now. I'm doing a YouTube video. Go away, you silly creep. Literally, like the one day I wear my tennis shoes, this happens. Oh, it's so wet. I need help. It's so wet. I don't think that's gonna work. Shoot. I have no clue what that looked like. Oh yeah, I wore that. So, I'm gonna be honest, I haven't really been able to record anything much really today. Because I just pretty much went straight home, then straight to swim practice. And then here I am at like 9 o'clock. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like I said, I don't care. Because my first video got like 24 views, and then it went to like 9, now to 4. And I'm uploading one right now. It's probably gonna go down to like 1, and then the next one's gonna be 0. Probably. But I mean, I would love to have people watch me. I think that'd be the coolest thing. I don't know. thank you. If you actually watched this all, it's probably really short, like probably not even 5 minutes. And go ahead, like it, thumbs up. You know, like the and tell your friends. How bad of a memory I have. I don't even remember like 30 seconds ago if I said bye or whatever. I don't know what to say. All other YouTubers are like, have a good day or whatever. So, yeah. Have a good day or night. Stay good.